I'm going to give you a very powerful piece of advice right now related to the English language. It's a secret. It's a tip from me, from Dave. It's a tip. There are mistakes, common mistakes in Chinese. Thank you. I think. There are many common mistakes in the Chinese language. Depending on which country you are from, you have very common mistakes that you commit. For example, in Egypt, for some Egyptians, not all, it's difficult for them to say the. I went to the park. But unfortunately, they say za, 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 za. What I'm trying to say is that depending on which country you are from, you have very common mistakes. Some people are very frustrated with their English. Some people say, oh, my English so bad. But they keep repeating these very simple mistakes and they don't know that they need to fix this foundation first to build upon it and become better. If you speak English good, but you keep saying, I think, thank you, then it doesn't make you sound perfect. You'll always sound like someone who is still
Mhm.
learning. You know, you want to feel confident in your English. You have to correct those mistakes first before you move on. Some people say, oh, I can't, teacher, my tongue, my tongue. That means you need to go to the mirror, go to YouTube, and look where the tongue is and try. You have to open your mouth and try. People don't want to try. I don't understand people.